Colombia has now lost over 100,000 people to the coronavirus pandemic and has recorded a new 24-hour record of almost 650 deaths. President Ivan Duque has pointed his finger squarely at tens of thousands of people who've taken to the streets to protest his government in recent weeks. Duque put out a statement saying the protests had cost 10,000 lives.
Nearly 15 million jabs delivered, and yet still not enough to slow down this new wave of coronavirus infections in Colombia. The nation ranks 10th in the world in total infections and in fatalities. People are worried. Sadly, we have reached 100,000 deaths. The truth is that the health system is at a breaking point. Those of us who have lost loved ones, we know how the situation is. The government is returning everything back to normal, but the numbers are too high, and I do not agree with this. I am very sad that we reached that figure. In one way or another, people are not fully aware of it, because there is so much irresponsibility in the street, and it's partly government negligence. The government says the blame lies elsewhere. The health ministry put out a statement describing recent protests where thousands of people took to the streets against tax hikes and corruption as a super-spreading event. Crowds are the main breeding ground for this disease to spread exponentially. If we didn't have large crowds in the last 6 to 7 weeks, more than 10,000 deaths could have been prevented. But at the same time, restrictions to curb the spread of the virus were lifted, and at least 2 of the 4 most contagious coronavirus variants arrived in Colombia. Now the intensive care units of hospitals are filling up, and health workers fear essential supplies may run out.